Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramel the Joshua Weissman way. We'll dive into the science behind perfect caramelization, ensuring you get that deep, complex flavor every time. Forget grainy textures or burnt sugar. We're aiming for silky smooth, deeply golden caramel. This method focuses on precision and control, giving you the confidence to create a truly exceptional sauce for any dessert or treat. To start, quality ingredients are paramount. You'll need granulated sugar, water, and heavy cream, ideally at room temperature. For that signature richness, unsalted butter is key, along with a touch of fine sea salt to balance the sweetness. Equip yourself with a sturdy, heavy-bottomed saucepan to ensure even heat distribution, a reliable whisk, and a heat-resistant spatula for safe handling. Begin by combining your granulated sugar and water in the saucepan, stirring just enough to moisten the sugar. Place it over medium-high heat and resist the urge to stir once it starts boiling. Watch closely as the sugar transforms, aiming for a beautiful amber color. Once achieved, carefully stream in your warmed heavy cream, whisking constantly. Then, add the butter, continuing to whisk until fully incorporated and smooth. Once your caramel is smooth, remove it from the heat and stir in 1/2 teaspoon of fine sea salt. This addition is crucial for enhancing the flavor and cutting through the sweetness. Let the caramel cool in the saucepan for about 10 minutes before carefully pouring it into a clean, airtight jar. Once completely cooled, store your delicious homemade caramel in the refrigerator, where it will keep beautifully for up to 3 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.